Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to transfer money from Deel to your bank account. Deel. Deel is a global payroll and payments platform that allows you to hire and pay employees in over 150 countries. It's a great option if you're a business that's looking to expand its operations globally, or if you're an individual who wants to work remotely. Transferring money from Deel to your bank account. Transferring money from Deel to your bank account is a relatively simple process. However, there are a few things you need to do first. Create a Deel account. If you don't already have a Deel account, you'll need to create one. This is a quick and easy process that only takes a few minutes. Add your bank account. Once you have a Deel account, you'll need to add your bank account. This will allow Deel to transfer money to you. Request a withdrawal. Once you've added your bank account, you can request a withdrawal. Deel will then transfer the money to your account. Here are the steps involved in transferring money from Deel to your bank account. Log in to your Deel account. Click on the Dashboard tab. Click on the Withdraw button. Enter the amount of money you want to withdraw. Select your bank account. Click on the Submit button. Once you've submitted your withdrawal request, Deel will process it and transfer the money to your bank account. The amount of time it takes for the money to reach your account will vary depending on your bank. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for transferring money from Deel to your bank account. Make sure you have enough money in your Deel account. You can't withdraw more money than you have in your account. Be sure to enter your bank account information correctly. If you enter your information incorrectly, the transfer will fail. Allow some time for the transfer to process. It can take up to a few days for the money to reach your account. Transferring money from Deel to your bank account is a simple process that can be done in a few steps. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about transferring money from Deel to your bank account, please leave a comment below. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. Also, be sure to check out my other videos on Deel. I have videos on how to create a Deel account, how to add a bank account, and how to pay employees using Deel. Thanks for watching.